eh.
Ay, nakapaan ng anak, no? Ako na dito.
Last fight ko na. Wala iba ata. Wala na.
Wala kasing maratman. Nakadami.
Kami lang sila.
37.
Ilang beses na nangyayari. Sato, iyo.
Under 10 female category. Score 90.
Nice one! Nice
We
one!
will be having a short break. 30 minutes.
Goton! Goton ton!
Toton.
Push kick ton! Leg kick! Uy!
Let's go.
Gawin niyo tinuro sa ito.
Timing lang kayo eh. Wala naman kayong ano dyan.
Don.
Bigyan mo magandang laban ton!
Don't
Laban.
forget my...
Pareho ng team yan.
Go back! Go guys!
Nice! Clinch! Nice one! Nice one ton! Uy! Nice! Clinch! Sweep!
Guys, cover! Guys, friendly fight!
Go, 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 ton!
Side kick!
Noy! Ayos! Huwag matamlay!
Kaya niyo yung dalawa!
Go! Galingan yung dalawa!
Blue corner, Kalagi John Ray of Tabuk City.
Go, ton! Mauna ka! Para maganda laban nyo!
Limat! Go, Tot! Go, guys!
Go, ma! Ay, ton!
Mark the face! Ay, nag-spits pa siya!
Una ka, ton!
Mark the face!
Unahan mo! Leg kick!
Friendly fight lang yun!
Ina!
Your side!
Nice!
Nice one, Max! Cover!
Clinch! Clinch kayong dalawa! Kadel lang kayo, kadel! Yud! 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 Uy! Go, ton, ton! Go, Mac!
Push kick! And you're back!
Uy.
Wait!
Ayusin mo to! Naayos! Timing!
Timing lang!
Timing!
Timing lang! Max!
Di yan marunong. Nice! Galingan nyo! Pwede kayo mag-draw. Parehas kayo gold. Yes. Or Mac gonna win. Or si Tonton.
The leg, Mac! Don't hesitate! Leg kick!
Sige Ton, huwag ka ma-distract.
Your side, Mac!
Una ka!
Leg kick!
Ton! Leg kick Ton!
Mac, the leg!
Sweep!
Maklilibre kita, Mac, dapat. The leg! Gagawin mo na ko. Manalo ko. The chargers ka pa. Kaya ni yan! Leg kick! Mac! Mac! The leg! Wow! Nangina.
Maglalaro naman yan sila mamaya.
Leave! Huh? Yan! Go! Go, Mac! Daddy's right there.
Where's the bathroom?
Yeah, if it's closed there, there's another one. Blue color! Red.
Red, di ba red? Di ba favorite color mo red? Red daw? Red daw?
Kumbong ka kay daddy, hindi ka support, diba?
We have a winner of bout number 25 from the blue corner to Toco Michael Alan of Las Piñas City.
Mamaya maglalaka pa. Bakit ka nagba?